It's the 2026 Distinguished Gentleman's Ride.
I can't believe how many people have turned up today.
Good morning bike fans, thank you for joining me as I make my way to a Triumph and Honda motorcycle dealership called Sutton Motorcycles in Tamworth, England. Me and my daughter Lucy, who's riding pillion with me today, are joining lots of other bikers congregating at Sutton's. We will then be heading to the official motorcycle sponsor for the DGR, Triumph, and the factory headquarters in Hinckley, Leicestershire. So continue watching if you want to see what the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride is all about and our ride to Triumph. You could have put something dapper on this morning, guys. Very smart. Have you grown it specially or do you have it all year round?
No, I've grown it specially. 4 months in the making.
It started last week.
4 months in the making.
I should keep that, that's quite cool. Morning, and there's one or two here gathering for the 2026 Distinguished Gentleman's Ride. The DGR was founded in Sydney, Australia by a man called Mark Hower. He's seen a picture of a guy called Don Draper on a TV show called Mad Men, and he's seen this picture of Don Draper astride a classic motorcycle wearing his finest suit. Mark decided a themed ride would be a great way of connecting niche motorcycle riders whilst raising funds for men in our lives. Movember has been the official charity partner of the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride since 2016. Both organisations have a simple goal: to bring people together and to change the face of men's health. Morning. Have a nice ride in.
Yes, it was good.
Good. All right. Nice bikes, guys. Morning. Are you an individual group or are you from Nottingham?
Sorry, buddy.
Are you an individual group or are you from Nottingham?
No, we just dropped down for the day.
Yeah.
actually.
I didn't know because Nottingham's due to arrive at 12.
Oh, okay.
Might be a bit late. I've seen you coming. I thought, oh, this must be Nottingham.
Oh, okay.
Have a nice ride anyway.
Cheers on you. Not allowed in Nottingham.
Oh, and he's got a banning order, has he? But no,
I think that's what.
oh dear. No, that's nothing wrong with the Tenere.
No, it's beautiful.
Nice. Have a nice ride. Nottingham. That's a good place to stop.
Right on that.
10 seconds of fame.
Oh, lovely.
Thumbs up. It's a video.
Oh, I don't know. I thought it was a static.
So say what you want. Say what you want. You had a good day.
Yeah,
Founded in 2012, the ride began with just 64 cities. 15 editions later, it spanned over 1,100 cities around the world, all riding on the same day, dressed in dapper and raising funds for men's health. Every year, rides take place simultaneously in over 120 countries around the world on the same day. You can find your nearest event and join this wonderful community of dapper riders, 120,000 plus in total. DGR rides to raise funds for prostrate cancer research and men's mental health in partnership with Movember, the world's largest men's health charity. I'd personally just like to say thank you to anyone that sponsored me over the last 4 years. Since 2003, I've now smashed my £1,000 target. You can still donate by clicking the link on my Facebook page, Sutton Motorcycle Trips, or clicking the link in the description to this video. Thank you. Nice ride back. See ya.
Oh, I love it. Yeah, it's absolutely great.